Let's get your Lorex 4K Ultra HD NVR up and running. First, securely mount the NVR in a well-ventilated area. Connect your 4K IP cameras to the NVR. If using PoE Power over Ethernet cameras, simply plug them into the NVR's PoE ports via Ethernet cables for both power and data. For non-PoE cameras, you'll need separate power connections. Next, connect the NVR to your router using an Ethernet cable for a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is an option, but Ethernet is generally more reliable. Power on the NVR and connect a monitor using an HDMI cable to view the interface. Now configure your network settings. You can either assign a static IP address or use DHCP. If you need remote access, enable port forwarding on your router. Ports 80 and 554 are common. Finally, adjust your firewall settings to allow Lorex's apps to communicate with the NVR. Remember to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Use the Lorex client software or the web interface to initialize your NVR system. To add your cameras, you can either scan the QR codes on the cameras or manually enter their IP addresses. Set up your recording schedules according to your needs. Choose between continuous recording, motion-triggered recording, or AI-based recording, which uses smart analytics for people-vehicle classification to minimize false alarms. Optimize your video quality by adjusting resolution and frame rates. For the best detail, use 4K at 30 FPS, but keep in mind this will consume more bandwidth and storage. With Lorex's latest firmware, take advantage of AI-powered features like facial recognition and advanced motion detection. Be sure to regularly update your firmware to maintain the highest level of cybersecurity, addressing vulnerabilities and ensuring smooth performance. This setup will help ensure your Lorex system runs efficiently and secures your property effectively.